welcome back to my YouTube channel. Apart from dancing, today I am going to make you learn a new recipe. So let's get started. So today we are going to make apple and oats smoothie, which is healthy to eat and easy to make. For it, we need one apple, which we're going to chop in fine pieces. We need a little bit of oats. Whichever oats do you want to take, you can take that, and little cinnamon powder just for the taste and flavor, and 1 cup of milk, 1 to 1.5 cup of milk. So let's get started. First we're going to chop the apple properly. We're going to cut this apple in a small fine pieces so that when we are making the smoothie, we will not get any lumps while having it. So I've cut the apples. Now we are going to put this in this 1.5 cup of milk. Like this. We're going to put our oats. I've taken the Kellogg's oats. You can take whichever flavor you want, and a little cinnamon powder, as I said, for the flavor. Now we are going to stir it properly. All the fruits. So now I'm going to pour this in the container. We just need to pour the fruits and the oats first, because first we'll mash up the fruits and oats. I've mashed the fruits, the apple. Now we are going to put all the remaining milk and oats properly. Properly stir it, mix it well. Now it's ready to drink. It's looking yummy. Some caramel essence and some chocolate essence just for the extra flavor. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon.